step. So this is in response to a question about the breath pattern, especially when you are already about to press into the handstand, as well as some structural alignment and movement together with the breath. That particular point when you are about to press is really very important. So you have to really time your breath and the bodily movements. They all have to go together, in that distinct stage or point for you to be able to lift the weight of your hips slightly up into the handstand. So let's break this down. All right. So as you inhale, you're gonna extend the arm bones up towards the ears as you draw this the part between the two big ribs hollow and deep, like you're crouching. All right. With your gaze slightly forward. So that's your inhalation. So what happens there as you push away? The weight of the body rib lifts up towards the hip with an in-breath, like that. So at the top of that inhalation, you are shifting your weight forward and then you push away. So I will try to do that as I talk through it. So you may want to slide your hands gently, maybe a little bit in front of your toes. So inhale, push away. See? As opposed to inhale like that, inhale, you push away, and this part of your back will really elongate like a dome, and then you're wrapping the ribs inside the body. And then you're gonna clip the top of the inhalation and you push, but don't fight the spine forward. Keep them folding, or keep the spine folding in. As you push away, this part of your back will move towards the backs of the head and down to the backs of the shoulders, as opposed to this. Like that. You push away. As you push away, this one would have to go down, but you're pushing to make room for the hips to rise up and forward. And then you're just gazing just between the hands so you can see. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale as you prepare. Exhale. You may just feel the movement. Inhale forward. Exhale back. So when you're ready, inhale it. See? As opposed to that, it's like that. Inhale. You're lifting your feet up. This is inhalation. Inhalation, inhalation, inhale. There we go. Alright. Now keep pushing. This is inhale as you push away. Inhale, inhale. Alright, until you feel that your body is lifting to the vertical position. Alright, to release. Inhale is the release. Inhale. So you want to keep the spine supporting and the breath supporting you. This is inhale. Inhale. You may linger a moment and then gently land your feet down the ground and just exhale. Alright, so you don't have to really lift your feet all the way up. You may just want to maybe feel the movement and then feel the lightness of the hips as you push to, I would say, a mini handstand, which is you might just want to just hang your feet up in the air without you really lifting your hips up, such as this. Same. Inhale, push, crouch. Inhale, push and crouch. Not inhale, push and forward. Like that. And then you're shifting without this, without you opening the fronts of the body. Shift forward. Inhale, and then you're lifting your feet up in the air and exhale down. So try that. Try that technique until you feel lighter and more confident shifting the weight forward, and then the hips will just naturally rise. Of course, definitely you will be needing some forms of strength or some levels of strength in your back to be able to sustain the pressure. Otherwise, that's the bulk of the technique, the breath and the alignment, especially of the spine and the backs of your shoulders. So try that. It might help you get a little bit more light when you press into your handstand. Alright, I'll see you next time. Enjoy your practice. Namaste.